signature driving dynamics. Designed for enthusiasts who crave both power and luxury, this coupe delivers an exhilarating driving experience wrapped in a sleek, aerodynamic body. Under the hood, the FT639LF boasts a high-output 3.5L twin-turbo V6 engine, generating an impressive 500 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic transmission, this coupe delivers instant acceleration and smooth gear shifts, ensuring that every drive feels responsive and engaging. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, paddle shifters allow for manual control, making it a true driver's car. One of the most exciting aspects of the FT639LF is its intelligent all-wheel drive system. Unlike traditional WD setups, this system continuously adapts to road conditions, optimizing power distribution for maximum grip and stability. Whether navigating tight corners, accelerating on wet roads, or tackling uneven terrain, this coupe remains planted and composed. The exterior design is a masterpiece of aerodynamics and aggressive styling. The sculpted lines and wide stance give the Forster Coupe a commanding road presence. At the front, the bold grille is flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights that provide exceptional visibility. The active aerodynamic system, including an adaptive rear spoiler and air vents, enhances both performance and efficiency by reducing drag and improving downforce at high speed. Step inside and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit that seamlessly blends luxury with technology. The cabin features premium materials, including Alcantara-wrapped sports seats, carbon fiber accents, and a customizable ambient lighting system that sets the mood for any drive. The 12-inch digital instrument cluster and 15-inch center touchscreen display provide real-time driving data, navigation, and entertainment options, all controlled via Ford's latest SYNC5 infotainment system. Performance meets convenience with advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies ensure that whether you're on the highway or maneuvering through city streets, the FT639LF offers both excitement and peace of mind. For those who love the thrill of customization, Ford offers a performance package that includes a sport-tuned suspension, upgraded Brembo brakes, and track-ready tires. With this package, the Forster Coupe transforms into a precision machine, capable of taking on both daily commutes and weekend track days with ease. Another standout feature is the car's hybrid performance assist system. Using a mild hybrid setup, the FT639LF enhances power delivery while improving fuel efficiency, making it an eco-conscious choice without compromising performance. The regenerative braking system further optimizes energy use, ensuring that power is efficiently managed throughout the drive. In terms of connectivity, the 2026 FORD Forster Coupe FT639LF is built for the modern driver. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium B&O sound system that delivers studio-quality audio. The built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and over-the-air software updates ensure that the vehicle remains as technologically advanced as the day you drive it off the lot. Ford has also taken safety to the next level with a reinforced high-strength steel and aluminum chassis, multiple airbags, and a suite of active safety features. Whether you're pushing the limits on the open road or cruising through the city, this coupe provides the confidence and security every driver needs. With its combination of high-performance engineering, cutting-edge technology, and refined styling, the 2026 FORD Forster Coupe FT639LF is set to redefine the coupe segment. Whether you're a speed enthusiast, a tech lover, or simply someone who appreciates a beautifully designed machine, this car delivers an experience that is as thrilling as it is practical.